All right, guys. You want to know the secret? We did good this morning, guys. We did real good this morning. Everybody's making money with us. All right, we got guys making thousands of dollars with us right now here. All right, you guys, we got guys making money, and the reason they're making money is because they've studied hard. They come in every single day, and they are part of what we're doing. And those of you guys that are new, it's not about the Fibonacci, man. It's not about that. You got to have certain ingredients for success, okay? Certain ingredients for success. All right. So you got to have that successful mindset, guys. All right. Follow me. Number one, you want to seek out successful people. To be successful, you got to seek out successful people. You can't just do this on your own, man. You can't. I didn't do it on my own. Neither did anybody else who was in my that influenced me in life. Nobody's done it alone. You got to seek out people who are already successful, and you want to emulate what they do. If that guy says, "Listen, I study 5 hours a day," then you study 5 hours a day. You got to seek out successful people. You want the ingredients. You want the secret to success. Number one, seek out successful people. Do what they do. Speak as they do. Think as they do. That's what successful people do. You emulate success. Number two, you gotta be hungry. You have to have it in your belly. You have to wake up every morning with that belly of yours so freaking hungry that you just gotta have it, that emotion in your stomach. All right? That you wake up in the morning and you just like, I'm hungry. I gotta win. I gotta win. I can't waste any more time. You can't waste any more time. You wake up in the morning, all right? You got to wake up in the morning. You're like, all right, what do I need to do next? What do I need to be a success? What did I not do yesterday? What did I not do this year? You got to stop putting off and putting away all those excuses because of this, because of my wife, because of my friends, because of my job. I worked this many hours. No, you stand up and you get hungry in the morning and you write your freaking goals down. Each and every day you write your goals down. This is what I want. It's in front of you. Whether you are a trader or a network marketer, I'm speaking to you both. Okay? That's rule number two. That's ingredient number two. Listen, you are not going to make a great pasta. You're not going to make a great tomato sauce without the proper ingredients: garlic, basil, fresh tomatoes, olive oil. You get it, guys? Nice sea salt. That's all you need. You need successful people around you. You need to seek them out. You need to be hungry. But you also need to program your mind. You need to program your mind for success. If you think for a minute that I wake up every morning, that I just wake up in the morning and think the markets are going to kick our ass, you better be kidding me. All right, I wake up in the morning saying, "Good morning, boss. Good morning, boss. You know, I'm hungry today." I wake up every single morning looking at myself in the mirror and I see the boss. And I look in that mirror and I say, today we're going to create wealth today. Today I'm going to change people's lives today. Today we're going to destroy the markets. Today we're going to network. I'm going to meet successful people. I'm attracting people from all over the world. I wake up every morning. All I do is I program my mind. Number one, affirmations. Talk about it. Commit to it. Commit to it. Okay? Just grab it. Claim it. Claim your freedom. All right? You ain't never going to get free. You're going to stay broke the rest of your life until you claim that freedom. Get in there, listen to the Jim Rome audios. Get in there, listen to them. Listen to the Tony Robbins. Listen to whoever else is out there. Listen to it, guys. Don't listen to your moron friends. Don't listen to your moron family who tells you, you can't do this, you can't do that. Who says you're going to be a successful trader? I met a couple yesterday. I was in Starbucks. And they were just asking us questions, we're sitting there talking. And she says, she's concerned a little bit. I explained to her, and she says, you know what? She's next to her husband. She goes, I got to get him off the truck. They live in Minneapolis. I got to get him off the truck. I said, we're going to get him off the truck. And she had tears in her eyes. She had tears in her eyes. They're 55 years old. She had tears in her eyes. And finally, the first time in her life, at 55 years old, she realized she had somebody around her that's going to help her husband get her freedom. Gonna get their freedom. And they call me and they text message me already. They're getting their freedom. They aren't even in iMarkets Live. They don't know what we do. But they believe in that guy that they met because that guy stood for something. You got to speak your way to success. You got to put it out there. You got to speak it every single morning. You wake up in the morning. I'm a winner. I'm a success. I'll do whatever it takes. I'll pay the full price. Hey, let nobody steal my dream. Let nobody get in my way. You got to speak it. You got to read it. You got to listen. Listen. Garbage out. Put a cap on the garbage. Don't watch that television. Don't watch all that negative YouTube stuff. And you guys with that Illuminati garbage and all that stuff with the shootings, just get that off your stuff. Get all that out of there. Read the Bible or something, or read something that's positive. Whatever you got to do. Surround yourself with success. Get around it. Why do you think I started a network marketing business? Because I could provide the environment for successful people to influence those who are not successful, and those who are not successful can be influenced and can get around successful people. I have 6 and 7 figure earners in my company. Get around people. Get on all the calls. Get on our trading rooms. Get around them. You got the guys from the exchange. You got the guys from Global Vision. You got the guys from TTT. All right, you got the guys from Passions and Profits. You got all these guys. Chris, I don't even remember half their names. But I know one thing, they stand for something. They got high markets live in their freaking stomach. And they're going to win. Nobody's standing in their way. You wake up every morning, you have to read. Read this. This. The critical counts from Teddy Roosevelt. It's not the critical counts. It's not the man who points out how that strong man stumbles or whether doer deeds could have done them better. It's not. It's you guys. You guys are the network marketers. You guys are the traders putting your ass online every day, doing whatever it takes for your family. The credit belongs to you who's actually in this friggin' arena. All I am is a coach. That's all I am. All right, I'm patting you on the butt going, just fight. Just fight, Ali. Just fight, Rocky. Rocky, you can do it. That's all I'm doing. I'm behind you. And when I got me behind you and your talent and your abilities and your passion, your gut and gumption, you go ahead and you fight because you know I'm behind you. All right? The credit belongs to that man who's actually in the arena. That's you, the trader. That's you, the network marketer, whose face is bloodied, who's by dust, sweat, who strives valiantly, who do whatever it takes. You error and you come up again and again. You keep messing up. You just keep coming back. You get up, you fall down, you stand back up, and you say, you know what? It ain't many times as I fall down. It's not that many times. It's how many times am I going to get back up? Every time you fall down, you stand back up again. You be like Rocky Balboa. You be like Jesus on the freaking cross. All he did was kept going and kept going. Do whatever it takes. You never give up. There's no effort without error. The effort, the glory comes to those who actually strive to do the deeds, who actually knows those great enthusiasms. That's you. The great devotion. You spend yourself for a worthy cause, for iMarkets Live, for Global Vision, for the exchange, for TTT, for GWC, for iMarkets Live, and its entire global network. All right? You spend yourself for that worthy cause. You spend that for that worthy cause, for your family, for your personal and economic freedom, because they go hand in hand. You cannot have personal freedom without economic freedom. And here's how you get economic freedom. You show up to this freaking room every morning, and I will make you money. And you're going to learn, and you're going to learn, and you're going to make mistakes. You're going to make mistakes. You know it best. In the end, the triumph of high achievement. And at the worst, if you fail by daring greatly. Look at this morning. Who was it, my friend? Was it who was down some money, and now you're making money? If you fail daring greatly. You will never be with those timid souls, those demo traders, those morons out there who say you can't do it, you can never do it. You sit back and you say, you know what? I'm not going to sit with you. You're a timid soul. You don't know victory or defeat. You don't know what it's like to start something. You have no idea. To be successful, you got to seek out successful people who are successful and eliminate and you emulate everything they do in their field. If you do as successful people do and you think and you act, you will become a success. You got to just put your heart on the line, guys. You got to be hungry. Muhammad Ali said, if my mind can conceive it, my heart can believe it, and I will achieve it. Muhammad Ali said, if you lose nothing when fighting for a you lose nothing when fighting for a cause. In my mind, the losers are those who never had a cause to care about. To be the great champion, you must believe you are the best. If not, pretend you're to be the best. I used to wake up every morning saying I'm the Muhammad Ali of training. I'm the baddest man in town. I smoke him out, man. I will knock him down in 5. What do we talk about now? We'll knock him out in 5 minutes. Champions are not made. Champions are made in the gyms. Champions are made from something they have deep inside them, a desire, a dream, a vision. They have to have that last minute stamina. You have to have that last minute comeback. You have to be that comeback kid. Let me tell you, you always want to have obstacles. You want to become an overcomer, overcoming to become something that you've never been before. Every single day, you got to be in a constant mode of overcoming to become. Muhammad Ali says, champions aren't made in the gyms. They're made from something they have deep inside them, a desire, a dream, a vision. They have to have a last minute stamina. They have to be a little faster. They have to have skill and will. But what? The will must be stronger than the skill. When you sit at your desk mentally, you have to be the Muhammad Ali of trading. Successful people consume themselves with improving their craft with countless hours of trading. Successful people have to have a plan of action and are relentless to be the best, to be a pit bull, to be a lion. Okay? To be a lion. Let me tell you something, guy. That guy that killed that lion out there that was in Minnesota. I had to leave Minnesota because I was going to rip this guy's head apart. I had to leave because I was going to come after him. I was going to hunt him down. I promise you, I had to leave. I had to leave. You have to be willing to do things today, guys. You want to be willing to do things today that nobody else is willing to do. You're going to do whatever you got to do to be successful. Be willing to do what others won't so you can what? Have what they can never have. You do today what others will not do so tomorrow you can live like they can't. I did. I did. I did. And today I live 5-star resort, full everything, drivers, maids, everything. No joke, guys. Whatever you want, it's available to you. All the real estate you want, all the gold and diamonds, all the money you could ever dream for. No more looking at pictures on YouTube, on Facebook. It could be in your account, but you got to be willing to do today. Give up stuff. Give up going out. Give up hanging out with your friends. Give up all the nonsense. All right? Give up everything else and focus on your passion. Focus on your family. Look your wife in the eye and tell her I'm the man. I will do whatever it takes. Even though I'm failing right now, no big deal. Failing's done. You look at your kids in the eyes and you tell them, you know what? Christmas may have missed us, but this year, this is going to be your year. You do whatever it takes. You got to be. Les Brown says, if you want anything worthwhile in life, you got to be hungry. You have to be prepared for an opportunity and not have one. Then not prepared for an opportunity. And then have an opportunity and not be prepared. You know? You want to be programming yourself consistently, programming your mind through the use of books and tapes and videos, books and audios and CDs. Give you a couple of guys: Anthony Robbins, Brian Tracy, Jack Canfield, Jim Rome, Napoleon Hill, and the countless others. You got to record this and put it in your brain, into your subconscious, day after day after day. You got to program your subconscious. so that when you program your subconscious for success and you're speaking success, it's going into your ears and you're programming your subconscious. So naturally, your conscience is spitting out positive. Right now, you want to go through the cursing and get rid of that and just start programming your mind for success. And when you program it enough, it's automatically just going to start spitting out, spitting out. Listen to these audios in your car. Listen to the great speakers while you're sitting at your desk. You're charting with your headphones on, programming yourself directly all day long. Whether you're at work, you're at play, you're in your car, you're with your wife, you're at home, doing whatever it takes, watching videos during the lunchtime hour while all your friends are going out to eat. You don't need to eat. You need to feed yourself mentally. You don't need to fill that belly of yours. You got too much weight on you anyway. You need to feed that mind. Feed that mind. When everybody else is going to lunch, you're listening to Jim Rome. You're listening to Napoleon Hill, the Anthony Robbins. You're reading. When you got downtime, you're doing whatever it takes. You're watching this, okay? You do your night. You're working on charts. You're working to the wee hours. Let me tell you something, guys. I slept 5 hours this week. This week so far, I slept 5 hours. I'm on constant go. I'm on constant success mode. 5 hours this week. I promise you that. I will do whatever it takes. You want to have self-talk. You want to have self-talks. Listen to what Muhammad Ali, if you listen to what he used to do, when Muhammad Ali get up there and he would claim it. He would claim it. Speak to yourself. Create your own quotes of success. You got to speak those affirmations. Spend time with people in your upline. Spend time with mentors, trading mentors, or your upline, sitting in the office with other traders. Spend time with like-minded individuals. If people are not supporting your dream, if they're not supporting your mind, you get rid of them. If they're not part of your dream, if they're not including themselves in it, if they're not positive, you get rid of them. Every day you want to print out your charts, your patterns. You want to print them out. You want to stamp them on your screen or print them out on your screen. You have to have a business plan. Where's your business plan, guys? Guys, we got 28 days left in the month. Business plan. Where are you going to be in a month? You don't even know. You know what? You're a bunch of football players. If you don't have goals, if you don't have business plan, you're a bunch of football players running around without the goal, the end zone. All right? Where are you going to be in 3 months, 6 months, a year? Be very specific about this. Work on improving your relationships, getting rid of toxic relationships. Turn off the TV, shut off the radios, shut off all the other nonsense. Help other people succeed, guys. Reach out and help others. Why can't you reach out? Why does it have to be only me? Why only me? You got to empower other people. When you empower other people, you're going to help them succeed. Not only helping other people succeed, it's going to help you succeed. When you help others, it brings you back down. When it brings you back down to the grassroots, okay? Spend time giving. Keep telling yourself, and I'm going to wrap it up with this, guys. I'm going to wrap it up with this. You wake up every morning, you look in the mirror, and you say, "Good morning, boss." And you go, Good morning, boss. I'm a winner. I'm a success. I'll fight the fight. Pay any price. Do whatever it takes. I don't want any shortcuts. I don't want any free lunch. I'm a pit bull on a bone. I'm a lion. I'm relentless for success. I will not complain. I'm an overcomer when it comes to success. I'm like a train hitting a Volkswagen for success. I'm a champion. I'm a winner. I will not stop. I will do whatever it takes. I will not be denied. And that's it. Period. Guys, we had a great morning so far. You see how emotional I got? When you get emotional like me, you're going to be rich. When you're not emotional, you're going to stay broke. You find that emotional, you find that thing inside you that brings you to an emotion that forces you to succeed. If you don't do it, man, I'm telling you,